Okay. So now the first formula, I guess everyone knows. In profit and loss, we have basically three types of prices. One is the cost price, second is the selling price, and third is the marked price. Okay. Now the first formula, I have written it down over here. It is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay. I guess everyone knows this. Next formula is cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. So now you have these two things. You can see here. Basically, whenever selling price is greater than cost price, you have profit, and when you have cost price greater than selling price, you have loss. Okay. These are the two basic formulae. Next thing, profit percentage. Always remember profit percentage is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Next one is loss percentage. Loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. Okay. Now all these formulae are very important, and you can write these down. This full slide is the most important thing. पूरा टॉपिक ये इसी स्लाइड पे हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. Okay. Now, next important formula is selling price is equal to cost price into multiplying factor. Okay. Now, this multiplying factor is the most important thing which you should know. Now, multiplying factor का मतलब क्या है? तो very simple. अगर आपको दिया है profit is 20%. Okay. Now, there are two ways of writing down the multiplying factor. One way is profit है, इसका मतलब प्लस होगा. Okay, 100 plus 20 upon 100. This is one way. So you can write it down as 120 upon 100, or you can write it down as 1.2. Now, the other simple way we have already learnt in percentage topic. उसमें क्या करते थे वही हमें यहाँ पे भी करना है. 1 प्लस. जब भी प्रॉफिट है तब आपको 1 प्लस करना है, एंड 20% you can reduce 20% to 1 by 5. Okay, that is nothing but 6 by 5. Okay, so in this way you can get your answer for multiplying factor. Now basically 6 upon 5 अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो, आंसर आपका यही आएगा 1.2. But we have seen the advantage of using a fraction. Okay, now ये प्लस दो दो बार आ सकता है. First of all, whenever there is profit and whenever we have markup. Okay, मार्कअप एक कंसेप्ट होती है. इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज दिस 1 प्लस या फिर 100 प्लस वाला कंसेप्ट फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर. यू कैन सी मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर इज देयर इन बोथ द फॉर्मूले. ओके. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर मार्कअप हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस पे होता है. ओके. सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज प्रॉफिट और लॉस, यू कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. ये वाला फॉर्मूला आप यूज कर सकते हो whenever there is profit or loss. You can use this second formula whenever you are given the concept of markup. Okay, and the last concept is applicable, last formula is applicable when you have discount. Always remember discount ये हमेशा marked price पे दिया जाता है. So basically marked price क्या है? Marked price is nothing but जो MRP होता है. ओके, मार्क प्राइस एमआरपी होता है. यू कैन सी on the Bata shops, or you can see the MRP of many mobiles. If you see Amazon site, बहुत बार आपको एक प्राइस दी जाएगी. एमआरपी आपको लेट से 1000 की एमआरपी है, वो स्क्रैच की जाएगी एंड यू आर रिटर्न डाउन 800. सो बेसिकली आपको 1000 जो है वो मार्क प्राइस है, एंड फाइनली जिस प्राइस पे आपको बेचा जा रहा है दैट बिकम्स द सेलिंग प्राइस. Okay, I guess everyone has understood this part of uh, multiplying factor. Now, in the next slide, find out all these multiplying factors and write down. Okay, write down the answers for these things. You have to find out the multiplying factor for these six questions. Okay, now to find out the multiplying factor, okay, now you can see the multiplying factor here. I'll just write it down. Okay, very good. Yogiraj has given the answers for a few. I'm not sure if anyone else has given. Now 30% profit, 30% profit है. So I'll show you in both ways. First of all, आप directly 100 के साथ भी कर सकते हो. So 100 plus 30 upon 100, that is 1.3 आ सकता है आपका. Or else it can be 1 plus 3 by 10, which you can write it down as 13 by 10. Okay, this is for 30% profit. For 19% loss, Yogiraj, you have made a mistake over here. It is 19% loss. Okay, so because it is loss, this becomes 100 minus 19. Okay, 100 minus 19 upon 100. So 100 minus 19 is 81. So 81 upon 100. Now, because 19 upon 100, it cannot be reduced any further. The answer uh, with 1 also will result in 81 upon 100 only. Okay. Now, moving on, 14.28% profit. Can you tell me what is 14.28% in terms of fraction? What is 14.28 percentage of fraction? It is nothing but 1 by 7. You might remember from the concept of percentage to fraction. Okay, so 14.28 percentage, I can write it down as, okay, Yogiraj, Ajay, Siddhant, it is 1 upon 7, correct? 1 upon 7. Now, because it is profit, it would be 1 plus 1 upon 7. So, therefore, multiplying factor becomes 8 upon 7. Okay. Now, moving on, you can see this thing, fraction is always better. यहाँ पे अगर 100 plus 14.28 हम करेंगे, that becomes very tricky and very lengthy. This would be wrong, very lengthy. इसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा आपके लिए. So therefore, correct answer will be 8/7 itself. Okay. Now the next one is 16.66% discount. Now, can you tell me what is 16.66 in terms of fraction? (16.66) will be 1/6. Correct? Rahul has given the answer. It is nothing but 1/6. Okay. Okay. But here it is discount. So therefore, multiplying factor आपका हो जाएगा 1 minus 1/6, that is 5/6. Okay. For the time being, understand just the concept. We will learn the application soon enough. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is 9.09 percentage in terms of fraction? What is 9.09?